Alright guys, so I got a really bad haircut after growing out my hair for 3 years, and basically what I got was like a terrible mullet, where just this part was cut and then the rest hung down straight, and so there's a weird reflection on my face. So I have layered the front a bit, and I think the front is okay now, but the back is still unlayered, and so it looks crazy. It looks crazy that the front is super layered and mulleted with the bangs, and then the back has like no layers at all. So I've been watching all these 1-minute mullet challenges on TikTok. I see no one even close to my age range attempting this, but you know what? Screw it. I'm just gonna do it. I want some layers in the back, and I don't feel like fooling around anymore. So here we go. I'm gonna do it. I am loosely following the Brad Mondo tutorial on how to give yourself a soft shag. It's not really a mullet, it's a soft shag. So I'm looking for a soft shag and those layers in the back. So the first step is to put your hair in a careful ponytail on top of your head, right at the apex of your head, with no lumps or bumps. While wet, preferably, if you have wavy hair, which I do, and I think I don't have any lumps and bumps. So, and then you just trim the end of your ponytail. That's the first part. So yeah, let's do that. Here we go. Make sure it's all combed out. Okay. So that's what I got. Surprisingly long, considering my hair is not that long. It's like shoulder length. I don't really know how short to cut it. I'm not going to try to cut it straight up because forget it. So I'm just going to put another hair tie right here to keep things straight while I have it up. And then I'll cut it and see what I have. Really hope that this solves some of my hair issues and I can just feel okay with my hair instead of being like embarrassed by my hair. Okay, so that's what I have left. I guess I should even that up. Okay, so just gonna cut this. I'm going to go across and then I'm going to point cut into it. Oh my god. I watched so many of these videos last night, and what is so glorious is like the moment that every girl's about to cut her hair, she's like, am I doing this? And I would think that I wouldn't have that reaction, but I am having that reaction right now. So, okay, we're doing this. I'm not going to just saw away. And I actually have hair shears. Okay. I'll show you the piece. Okay, and then should I try thinning shears on this part? I don't know. They don't work when they're wet, when your hair's wet. Okay. So I'm just going to spread this out a little bit and cut into it. Alright, that's not bad. That's not so terrifying. I feel like I just cut length off the back where my hair has been looking all just like woolly, like the wigs don't know what to do because there's no layers back there and it just looks snarly and terrible. So, alright. See what that did. If anything, I was really conservative. Should I go shorter? Should I cut more? Oh, maybe I should do more. I'm gonna do a little bit more. This is where it all goes wrong. Right here. Oh, that wasn't even very Whoops. Of course, I'm critiquing everyone's technique yesterday, and then today my technique kind of sucks. Okay. This is barely even shorter, but you know, you can always cut more off. I'm not gonna get that crazy. Okay. Really hope I'm gonna get the layers in the back like I want. Okay. All right, I'm gonna comb it out and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I combed it out. I did a quick check in the back. I have some shorter pieces back there, so that's good. Okay, so following Brad's tutorial, now I'm going to make a section. I hate sectioning, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. And I'm going just like above my ear. And on this side too. Oops. Probably should make it like the other, right? Okay. Okay, so this part is to tidy up the front and create more face framing layers, which I have some, but I wouldn't say they're good. I didn't really do it this way. So, yeah, this side first. Okay, and so we over direct the hair across my face. And yeah, it's not that bad. Okay, so it seems like I have some decent layers here. I can't see anything. I can't see a damn thing. I'm like only looking out of my left eye. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's good. It wasn't that bad actually in the front. I guess I did a better job than I thought. Oh, my hair's so much thinner on this side. It's so weird. Do you have a side of your body that your hair grows much more on and less? For me, it's my right side for sure. It has way more hair. Even my eyebrow is thicker over there. Okay. Okay, this side was definitely more jacked up, which I can tell when I look at my hair and try to do my hair. Okay, am I sure about that? Okay, so that should be, yikes. Okay, well, that should be it. So I'm gonna let it air dry now and put some product in it, and then we'll see how I did. Okay, so got my product in, it's all scrunched. It looks a lot better in the back already. Some layers definitely made it back there because it's waving up now. Okay, so it's barely even dried a little bit, but I can see in the back I'm getting the layers that I wanted. So I guess they start about there and then they just go down pretty nicely. My hair's actually like waving up back there. Oh, so happy. Seriously, a 1-minute mullet haircut from TikTok is saving my life. All right, so this is my hair mostly dry. I think it's cute. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, this is the best it's looked in a while. It's evenly wavy. Okay, and then the back, not sure if you can see, it's hard to see, but like the waves are coming through back here. No, it's hard, I can't get close enough. There, that's better. So, yeah, it's really hard to see, but this was just all frizzy, like straight and frizzy, and then it would freak out towards the bottom. And now it's layered in the back. So, yeah, I'm gonna call the TikTok 1 minute mullet challenge a success. I think it was good. That was like the best. It's still thick at the bottom. You know, I didn't really take any length off. I just put layers in. This is all the same, but it just layered around here and in the back. So, yay! Perfect. That was great.